Good day, sir. I'm going to explain each line of code for our laboratory activity 11. First, I'm going to explain import NumPy for numerical calculation and arrays. Line 2, import matplotlib for plotting graphs. Line 5, fs or sampling frequency is equal to 1000 to sets the sampling frequency to 1000 Hz. Line 60 is equal to np.arrange the quantity of 0, 1, 1 over fs or sampling frequency is to create a time vector from 0 to 1 second with the step size of 1 over the sampling frequency. Line 9, low frequency is equal to sine all the quantity of 2 times pi times 50 times t is to generate a 50 Hz sine wave or the low frequency signal. This line 10, high frequency is equal to 0.5 times sine the quantity of 2 times pi times 200 times t is to generate a 200 Hz sine wave with half amplitude. Line 13, noisy signal is equal to low frequency plus high frequency plus 0.3 times random is to add the two sinusoids together and adds random noise to sine wave and adds random noise to sine wave real world signal. Line 16, plt.figure the quantity of fig size is equal to quantity 10.4 is for creating a figure window. Line 17, plt.plot the quantity of t noisy signal label is equal to noisy signal is to plot the noisy signal versus time. And plt the title up to line 20, plt.y label is for adding title and axis labels. plt.grid up to plt.show to display grid, legend, and the plot. Line 25, this line from scipy.signal import butter is to import function to design Butterworth IIR filter or infinite impulse response filters and analyze frequency response. Line 28, cutoff frequency is equal to 100 is for setting the cutoff frequency to 100 Hz. Line 29, order is equal to 4 means is to set the filter order or higher order is equal to sharper cutoff. Line 32, B, A is equal to butter, quantity of order, cutoff frequency, Fs is equal to Fs, B type is equal to low is to designs a low pass Butterworth IIR filter, and yung B numerator coefficients, and yung A is the denominator coefficients. And line 35, W, H is equal to yan, Wix, the quantity of BA, born N is equal to 8,000 is to compute the frequency response of the filter. Line 36, frequencies is equal to W times sampling frequency all over 2 times pi. Yun. is to convert angular frequency to hertz. Line 39, PLT dot figure the quantity of fig size is equal to quantity 10.4, and line 40, PLT dot plot the quantity of frequency absolute of H, and comma B is to plots the magnitude response of the filter. Line 41, PLT.title, quantity frequency response of the IIR low pass filter or infinite impulse response, yon. Up to line 46, PLT.show is to shows how frequencies above 100 Hz are attenuated. And this line 48 from SciPy.signal, import I filter. Siya yung import function na nag-a-apply ng IIR filter. Line 51, filtered signal is equal to I filter. Quantity BA, noisy signal, is to filters the noisy signal using the IIR filter. Line 54, PLT.figure quantity fig size is equal to quantity 10.6 is to create a new figure window. Line 56, PLT.subplot quantity 211 up to line 57, PLT.plot quantity of T, noisy signal label is equal to noisy signal is to plot the original noisy signal. And then line 58, PLT.title up to PLT.grid. Yun, okay. Is to yes, is to display the grid. And PLT line 63, PLT.subplot quantity 212 and PLT.plot quantity T filtered signal, comma label is equal to filtered signal, color is orange, is to plot the filtered signal or the high frequency remove. And PLT line 66, PLT.x label up to PLT dot show. Function po niyan is adjusting space and displays the plots. Yes. Line 73 from SciPy.fft import FFT. Import function siya na nagko-compute ng fast Fourier transform. Line 76, noisy signal FFT is equal to FFT, quantity noisy signal, is to compute frequency spectrum of the noisy signal. And line 77, filtered signal FFT, is to compute frequency spectrum of the filtered signal. And line 80, freaks is equal to np.fft.fft freak is to generate frequency values corresponding to FFT bins. Okay, line 83, PLT.figure quantity fig size is equal to quantity 10.6. Also creates a new figure. Line 85, PLT.subplot quantity 211 and line 86, PLT.plot yes, is to plots magnitude spectrum of the noisy signal. And Line 92. PLT.subplot quantity 212. And line 93 PLT.plot. Yan. Yes. Is to plot the magnitude spectrum naman ng filtered signal. And this line 94 PLT.title up to PLT.show is to display the frequency domain plots. In this step, we compute the fast Fourier transform or FFT of the noisy and filtered signals to analyze how the frequency content has been modified. The filtered signals spectrum should show attenuation of the high frequency or 200 Hz components. To summarize the code, this code creates a noisy signal, designs a Butterworth IIR low-pass filter, removes high-frequency components, and compares result in time and frequency domains. And as you can see, this is the output of the code. This one is the graph of noisy signal or the combination of low and high frequency na may noise. And this is the frequency response of the IR low pass filter. This is the behavior of the noisy signal according to our code. And this is the behavior naman ng ating filtered signal or the IIR low pass filter. Naman yung behavior ng magnitude spectrum of the noisy signal. And last, the behavior of magnitude spectrum of filtered signal. That's all. Thank you.